Okay, it's still theory at this point. F6, rook e3, uh, bishop f4, queen f3, queen d7, knight d5. I was a bit bothered at this point because I didn't want to make an easy draw, quick draw. And after rook e8 here, and then knight c7. I was so surprised when she went bishop g4 because I thought that I'm hallucinating because isn't it just better for me and it's almost winning? Knight f6. I feel like after the game, I feel like maybe she should have just given the exchange and it would have been better. Like at least some.
Keep fighting.
Yeah, because after bishop f3, and she just lost her piece, because this king, you cannot castle because you already moved the king. And now she has to somehow get this bishop out of the pin, but it's not that easy. And yeah, I just ended up winning the bishop. Now I move the knight and the bishop.